Refresh Plus Eye Drop. Refresh Plus contains ingredients: carboxymethylase. What is carboxymethylcellulose? Carboxymethylcellulose CMC, or cellulose gum, is a cellulose derivative with carboxymethyl groups CH2 bound to some of the hydroxyl groups of the glucopyranose monomers that make up the cellulose backbone. How to use Refresh Plus Drop. Lubricating and soothing eye drops. For the temporary relief of burning and irritation due to dryness of the eye. Daily dose of Refresh Plus Eye Drops. 1 to 2 drops up to 3 times daily. Children 12 to 15 years. 1 to 2 drops in affected eyes as needed. Indication of carboxymethylcellulose. 1. Artificial tear. 2. Lubricant in ophthalmic preparations. 3. To relieve dry, irritated eyes. Side effects of Refresh Plus Eye Drops. 1. Blurred vision. 2. Matting or stickiness of eyelashes. 3. Swelling of eyelids. 4. Watering of eyes. A very serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare. Thanks for watching.